how to fix CRM pipeline update issues in Monday.com. Many users notice that deal stages don't update, values stay the same, or automations fail inside the CRM pipeline. First, let's understand why this happens. CRM pipeline issues usually come from incorrect status columns, broken automations, permission limits, or integration sync problems. Most of these can be fixed quickly. Step 1, check your status column. Pipeline stages depend on the correct status or stage column. Make sure stages like lead, contacted, and won are set properly. Step 2, review automations. CRM pipelines often rely on automations to move deals or update values. Open the Automation Center and check if any automations are paused or broken. Step 3, verify column connections. Linked boards or mirror columns can stop updating if connections break. Reconnect linked columns if needed. Step 4, check permissions and roles. Some users may not have permission to update pipeline stages. Confirm access or ask your admin. Step 5, refresh and resave the board. Sometimes pipeline updates fix themselves after saving or refreshing. This clears temporary sync issues. Step 6, check integrations. CRM pipelines connected to email forms or external tools can fail if integrations disconnect. Reconnect integrations to restore updates. So yeah, fixing CRM pipeline update issues in Monday.com is about correct stage columns, working automations, proper permissions, and healthy integrations. Follow these steps and your CRM pipeline will update smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the